Hi, my name is Derek with Stafford Homes and Land. As a company, we recognize a lot of people and businesses were impacted by the pandemic. In response to this, we wanted to raise some money to pay it forward to those in need. We partnered with a number of our local vendors to purchase 200 sandwiches from Cozzie's New York Deli. Those sandwiches then went over to Arches, where we handed out the much needed food for the community. A number of the staff here at Stafford went over there on Monday to help provide this lunch. Here's the story.
Thank you so much.
Hey, Derek here with Stafford Homes and Land, and we're out at Archer's. We were just giving out a bunch of sandwiches we got for the community. Really happy to help Arches out with feeding some of the people in need. Stafford would like to extend a special thanks to all the vendors who made this event happen. Without their donations, we wouldn't have been able to support the community like we did. Thank you.